Assalamu alaikum. Let's start with the grade 8, book 3, page number 9, exercise number 1A, and the topic is quadratic equation. Basically, the topic for this exercise is solving the quadratic equations by completing square method. But question number 1 we have done by simple diamond method. Question number 2 we have to solve by simple solving the question. As you can see in the question number 2, all the parts, one side has the whole square and the other side is a constant. So what we are going to do, all the parts of question number 2, we are going to solve by taking the square root on both sides. First of all, we are going to take the square root. By taking the square root, we will remove the square and we will get the answer with the plus minus sign. When we are getting the answer with the plus minus sign, then one time will be positive, one time will be negative, and we will simplify the variable. So let's start with question number 2, exercise number 1A. I gave the heading as a quadratic equations. So the A part of the question is x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 9. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 9. And we know the rule that whenever there is a whole square coming to one side only, and so what is the rule? That we can take the square root on both sides to remove the square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
So the square root of 9 is 3.
We will write
3.
over here by taking square root on both sides. By taking square root on both sides. When we are going to take the square root on both sides, we can see that it will be x plus 1 square root of that is equal to 9 and square root of this. Clear? As we can see, square and square root will be cancelled and this will be x plus 1 only. But to the other side, one side can be cancelled and other side, when we are going to take the square root of the number, it will come with a plus minus sign. So 9 square root is 3. Very good. Now we have plus and minus both 3 to the right side. So what we are going to do, we will write it as that either x plus 1 is equal to positive 3 or x plus 1 is equal to negative 3. Here, from here, we are getting the value of x, which is 3 minus 1. This is plus 1. When you shift to the other side, it becomes minus 1. So we are getting the value of x over here, x is equal to 2. Clear? And here, we are getting the value of x minus 3 and minus 1, which is going to be minus 4. Because when the signs are same, we are going to add the numbers and writing the same sign. So this is the answer of your question number 2, part 1. In all the parts of the question number 2, what we have to do, that first step is that you have to take the square root on both sides. When you are taking the square root on both sides, one side square and square root will be cancelled. But remember, beta, that the other side answer will definitely come with the plus minus sign. Clear? When it comes with the plus minus sign, one time you have to write with the plus sign and one time you have to write with the minus sign. After that, the method is same, how you have applied in the first questions, that just simply you have to find out the value of the variable. The variable can be x, y, or any other letter.